Your power tool's motor uses 2 carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. They do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Worn brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. Sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the first brush. The brushes are located behind the brush caps, and I'll go ahead and unscrew it. With the brush cap removed, I can remove the brush. I install the new brush by first aligning it with the brush holder, then compressing the spring, and I'll hold the brush in place as I install the brush cap. I'll resecure the cap. And I want to be careful that I don't over-tighten the cap or it can crack. Now repeat this on the other side. And that's how easy it is to replace the brushes in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up